Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd. So we are in a new month, we are in September, and today is the second day of that month. So in your science class, what you're going to continue learning during this week is about the water's importance. Hope you and yours are fine at home. Please keep safe and stay at home. Let's start with our class. Yesterday we were talking about the importance of water to our bodies, not just for the environment but also for each one of our bodies. Yesterday you wrote this information on your notebook about the importance of water. Water is a life source for humans, and humans are made up about 75% of water at birth. So, now what you're going to copy in your notebook is this part. Human beings needs to drink at least 3 liters of water a day. How many liters? 3. 3 liters of water a day, especially when you exercise, when you're young, when you run, when you dance, and when you are playing, or when you are exposed to the sun for a lot of time. So, how many bottles of water do you need? 3. If they contain 1 liter per each bottle of water, that means that you are going to drink 3 bottles of water. But if you are drinking water in 1 glass, you are going to drink how many glasses? 8 glasses of water a day. Yes, every day. Why? Remember that our bodies are getting outside through they are getting outside through us, the water. Also, through our urine, the water that we have inside of our bodies is getting outside. That's why we need to put again inside of our bodies the water that our bodies require. So, please copy this information in your notebook. Remember that yesterday also we were talking about the hydration. Dehydrations. So, dehydrations happen when you don't drink enough water. And here we have some dehydration symptoms. For example, thirst, dry mouth, less during urination, dry skin, headache, and other things. So that's why water is so important. Yesterday there was your homework, the investigation of page 80 of your books. I hope you did it. So that was everything for today's class. We're going to continue learning about that tomorrow in the next class. See you until the next class. I love you. I'm sending a lot of blessings. Bye.